we are going to connect to a platform of a JASIC and do a clean distribution here. So you see my JASIC is already in here. I'm going to do a platform connection. If you don't already have that there, you can right click on it, or you can, hopefully by this time you shouldn't be doing a clean distribution if you don't know how to connect to a platform. So inside the platform manager you have what's called distribution file installer. Double click on that and it'll build what's called parsing distribution files, and what you'll see when this populates is a list of backups that are available. So it already went to my clean distribution. If you haven't already gone to that, or if you're in a different directory, if you'll just click on cleaning, it'll automatically go here. So you notice if you click on backups, it'll say parsing, and it's going to go through and find them. And you see backup after clicking on that. Here's all the different backups that are available. So we want to do a clean distribution, so you click on cleaning and it takes you to the cleaning distribution directory. Notice right here, directory Niagara 4.7.110.32 clean distribution. You notice there's two files in here. One of them's grayed out. It says different target platform. If you double click that, you'll see that's for the Edge controller, not for the JASIC. So we want to do our standard for the JASIC, and just double click on it and then click an install. And running applications must be stopped. Yes, I want to stop them. And you get kind of almost like a application director output here. You'll see what it's doing, stopping running applications, and it'll go through installing the software. This is actually going to put it back to a 4.1, which is fine, because when we go through and commission a JASIC, which is in a different video, you're going to install a core software to whatever version you're using, whether it's 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, whatever, it doesn't matter. So you'll be able to choose which core software to put. That's good. We got install software success. Success and rebooting host. So we got success on all four. That's good. Now we are rebooting. And the next thing you would want to do is commission the JASIC after this. So check out our video on JASIC commissioning.